probiotic and how to know whether you are buying the absolute best probiotic. Now, there is such a plethora of supplements on the market now, and especially when it comes to probiotics. So this guide will help you work out that you're getting the best value for your money. Look, I am a qualified nutritionist and a gut specialist, and I really help women with digestive issues, especially over the age of 40, because that's when we really possibly struggling with perimenopausal issues and hormonal havoc, and that is going to get exacerbated by gut imbalance. So probiotics are a very good way to restore the balance of the bacteria in the gut, and what you're looking out for is the CFUs. Now, this is the colony forming unit. So you're looking for a good number of these, and that usually ranges between 3 and 50 billion CFUs. All right, so there may be a probiotic with a high, like a 10 billion, 20 billion count, and that will really depend on your age and the extent of your digestive issues. So if you are struggling with bloating or IBS or constipation, or even more serious situations like candida or small intestine bacterial overgrowth, then adding in a probiotic will be really important. If you don't know what is the root cause of your digestive distress, then certainly getting tested will help, and I can help you do that. Okay, so the type of probiotic that you get will depend, of course, on your budget and your age and your lifestyle factors. So how much stress are you faced with? Do you do lots of traveling? How is your immune system generally? But generally, I recommend probiotics that have a good range of bifidobacteria, and and that may be called B, shortened to B on the labeling, and you're certainly looking for lacto ingredients as well. So read the label, look at the CFUs, the colony forming units, how many live bacteria are in the probiotic, and then the diversity of the strain, because we're looking for diversity in gut bacteria. We want a good range of diversity. We want all of that good bacteria present and accounted for. Also look for probiotics that do not have any, they're free from chemicals, and they are free from irritants. So it may say that it's free from chemicals and free from irritants, and it also contains prebiotic elements, which makes it more easily absorbed by your body. Okay, so and look for shelf life and shelf stability and a guarantee of potency. So you'll be looking for, just because the manufacturer says it's got 50 billion CFUs, if it's got a really short shelf life, then it may not be as beneficial. And also you're looking for this potency guarantee, which can, at time of expiration, they're guaranteeing a certain number of live bacteria. Okay, so they're the things that you're looking for. You're looking for, you may not require refrigeration, and it may be shelf stable, so therefore it will be easy for you to take wherever you need to. Okay, you're looking for strain diversity, as I said, so bifidobacteria, and having that range of L and B on the label will be very, very good. All right, so hopefully that helps you. If you'd like to know my absolute favorite probiotic, then reach out to me. I love the doTERRA PB Assist. That is excellent. It's double and centric coated, which means it gets into the small intestine where it's needed the most. The hydrochloric acid in the stomach doesn't break down, so that first capsule breaks open in the stomach, but the second capsule, the double encapsulated capsule, breaks down into the small intestine where it's needed the most, which is a very unique formula. Look, if you are struggling with digestive issues, or you have a friend particularly that is over the age of 40 and she's struggling with digestive issues, then please reach out to me. because I've got a 3-week program, an 8-week program, and a 1-year program, depending on how much hand holding you need to get you the results that you need. So don't suffer if you have IBS, if you have bloating, if you have constipation, if you're experiencing hormonal havoc, then don't suffer alone. Reach out to me and get the support that you need. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.